Hi, my dear friends. Hope you all are doing great. I am also bright and shiny. Today, in this afternoon time, I came here in front of you to say something about Heinrich Klaasen. Do you know about Heinrich Klaasen? He is one of the popular player in the South Africa, and also he also celebrity in throughout the cricket lover countries. Okay, so right now I would like to talk about that. Okay, so let's begin. Today I saw that he decided to uh, step away from all form of international cricket. Okay, he played all kind of cricket. Okay, like ODI, T20, and also a Test. And he entered his life. He played 60 ODI and also 58 T20 and 4 match of Test cricket. Okay, in that ODI he got 11 fifties and 4 centuries. Okay, and he also played well in his life of cricket. Okay, so I don't know. I know that he decided to step away from international cricket because of to spend lots of time with his family. So it was very interesting that for his family, he uh, step away from international cricket, and also he shared that I want to retired from international cricket. Okay, so the director of South Africa cricket, he wishes to him because he delivered that I we respect of his decision because it his wish when he will take retired it his refresh it his mind. Okay, so he told that I will play around the world, which country arrange the league match. Okay, he will play that type of league, and he will thrill his fans by playing IPL, BPL, and also PSL, and lots of the league enter the world. Okay, so I am talking this because of practicing speaking English, because I would like to uh, s- talk about something and something new, because it improved my vocabulary and also confidence, because I want that to talk about everything so that I can speak English in public place, so that I can make confidence by myself. Okay, okay, that's all for me today. I will come again in front of you.